Hey folks, how you doing? There is a system passing through, but that's not gonna stop us from getting your items delivered to your doorstep. Rain or shine, high water, low water, we are gonna get your packages delivered to your doorstep. Who are we? We are your friendly neighborhood shipping company, and we allow you to purchase items online and then we ship them to Jamaica for you. We clear customs, and we allow you to pay online using whole heap of different payment methods. You can use PayPal, Zelle, debit or credit card. You can even do an online bank transfer. If you have the funds, you can go to our NCB ABM and make the deposit to our account. We're gonna get that payment, call you, arrange your delivery, and get your items delivered to your doorstep here in Jamaica. We're on the delivery to you guys. As we say, no matter rain or shine, we are here to serve. All right?